Today, guys, what we're looking at, I'm just going to be my daughter. I'm just going to demonstrate my daughter and explaining how we go about not only online learning, but also how we go about learning these things for the SATs. Also, can be for the GCSE as well. But we're looking at the different types of angles: obtuse, reflex, acute, and so on. Okay, right. So the first thing, if we've got an angle, right, and say we've got a line like this, and then we turn this line, okay, if we turn this line so we get an angle up to this point, then the angle between these two would be considered to be acute, okay? Now, if we then have an angle now, that's like this, and then we extend it now, we move the lines, so therefore it's now up to this point, we say this angle now is right angle. So we've got the acute, okay, so that's the acute, very acute, small one, yeah. So the acute angle, okay, we've got the right angle, okay. 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 Now, if the angle then is no, so we're gonna have to start up. Right. So we've done the acute, which we know. We've done the right angle. Now the next one we're looking at now is, okay, so what's this one, Lorena? You're gonna tell me them as we go along?
Acute, 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 right.
Right angle, yeah.
Yep. And then obtuse.
Obtuse, so that's an obtuse angle. So let's make a note of it and write it there that we've got an obtuse angle, okay? So this angle here, because it's now bigger than 90, it's what we call obtuse angle. Yeah. So we've got this obtuse angle. Okay. So let's say you can see the obtuse, right? The obtuse, right? This obtuse angle we've got there, yeah. Okay. So, and then now we're gonna even move on now, and we're gonna look at the next one now. So let's have a look now. So what we've got now, tell me again, what have we got?
Acute, 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 right, obtuse, 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 straight.
Straight line. So we've got the straight line. So we can't afford to forget our straight line yet. So the straight line, and then after we go past straight line, and what, by the way, what's a straight line?
Straight line is 180.
Excellent. And then where we are now?
Reflex, 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 and then a full turn.
And what's a full turn, you think?
360 degrees.
Excellent. Well done, you're a superstar. So let's make sure we highlight what this is. So we have got now this bit, which is a full turn. Well, not a full turn, but it's greater than 180. So we call this the reflex.
I remember reflex.
Okay. Thank you, Rena. Thank you. So we've got reflex angle. So we've talked about acute, obtuse, reflex. Now the next thing now we're going to talk about is the angles now that we've got now in parallel lines now. So if we've got a line like this, then we've got another line like that. And also, how we can tell if two lines are parallel? Do you know how we can tell if two lines are parallel?
If you go on with it, it will never meet.
Okay, so they'll never meet. It's almost like a train line where they never meet. However, how we can identify two lines that are parallel is by using arrows on them. See these two arrows here? These two arrows here means that they're parallel. So they will never meet. Okay, they've got equal distance between this line and that line, the same distance between them right through. That says that these two lines are parallel. But we've got this one now, which we call now perpendicular. So perpendicular means 90 degrees, okay? Perpendicular, and everybody, perpendicular. Perpendicular just means 90 degrees. Let's look at another perpendicular again. Can we see our perpendicular there? This is a vertical line. This is a horizontal line. And if they intersect each other, yeah, at 90 degrees, we say that they're perpendicular. Can you see that word up there? Perpendicular. So we've got parallel goes to that one. Perpendicular goes to this. And perpendicular goes to this. Okay? So perpendicular means 90 degrees. Parallel means never, right? They never what? Never meet. No. Let's have a look now. So guys, you've got some questions here to do for me. You're going to pause the video. You're going to have a go at them. Okay? I'm going to get my daughter to complete this task now. And then you're going to pause it now so you can see, come back and then check the answers. Now, Raina, you're going to have a go at these now for me, please. Okay, guys, I hope you've got all of those angles there. We've got this one here, which is the acute. We have got this one here, which is these two, which is the parallel. Okay, we could also have these two as well as parallel. Raina, what's the name of this shape here? This part here?
Parallelogram.
A parallelogram. Excellent, excellent. So what we're now going to do now, we're going to move over into the next topic now. And we've got angles in a triangle and angles in a straight line now. Angles in a straight line, guy, on a straight line is 180. Angles in a triangle, 180. Okay, guys, let's do one first singing. Angles in a triangle, 180. Angles in a straight line, 180. 180. Okay, no. Angles in a straight line, 180. Angles in a triangle, 180. 180. Rennie, want to have a go?
Yeah.
Okay, have a go then.
Angles in a triangle, angles in a triangle, 180. Angles in a triangle, 180. Angles in a triangle, 180. 100.
So angles in a triangle, 180. Angles in a straight line, 180. 180. You have a go now.
Angles in a triangle, 180. Angles on a straight line, 180. 180.
Excellent, brilliant. So therefore, here is going to be 180. So if this is 70 degrees, okay, this is then going to be, we take it away from 180. So we've got 180. I will take away 70. Okay. So that's going to leave me with 0, 1, 1. So that's 110 degrees, okay? Okay, now here now we've got a 90 degree. Okay, so this will say this was in that's not going to be 90 degrees. But say this will say 40 and this will say 2x. And they said we should find x. Okay. Now we know then that that's 90, that's 40. So if we add the 90 plus the 40, okay, 9 plus 4 is 13. We're going to take this now away from 180 because we know angles in a straight line 180, yeah? Okay, so we do take this away now. Okay. So we get 0, we get 4. We get 40 degrees. Now, Raina,
5, Dad.
what do you think that the 2x mean? What the 2x would equal to?
5, Dad.
No, Raina, listen. 2x is equal to 40. What do you think x is going to be?
No, it's 50.
Huh?
Dad, it's 50. 8 take away 3 is 5.
Oh, 5. Oh, sorry. Okay, yeah. Oh, 5. Okay, right. Thank you. You see, I'm just checking if you're paying attention, yeah? Okay, well done. So then if 2x is equal to is equal to 50, so what does 2x equal to?
25.
Yes, so no.
Well,
Does
50,
2x equal 50
1x.
and then what's 1x going to be?
50. 25.
25. Excellent. Well done. We just divide it by 2, right? Make sense?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so we've
Yes.
got no angles in a triangle now yet. So therefore we've got that's 80 degrees. Okay. And that's say 70 degrees, right? So we're gonna work out what this one is.
80 plus 70, and then take it away from 180 since
So
angles in a triangle add 180.
okay, so we do the 70, yeah. Okay, plus. And then what do we get now? We get 0. We get 7 and what 7 plus 8? 7 and 7, 4, 15, 150, yeah. So what's left over then? Okay, so what's left over then?
30.
30, excellent, well done. So we've got the 30 degrees there, yeah? Okay, now we've put angles in a straight line, 180, angles in a triangle, 180. We're going to now put them together. So in order for me to find what this is, okay, now there's a rule that will, sort of, we won't really talk about that rule. Let's go through the whole process. So if this is 60 plus 80, what's that going to be?
60 plus 80 equals 140.
So we've got 180. We're going to take away 140. Okay. So then we get 40. Okay. So this bit here is 40. Now what have we got here now? We've got angles in a straight line 180, angles in a straight line 180. So what's x then going to be?
So you have to do 180 take away from 40 to get the x.
So what's it going to be then?
140.
140 degrees. Well done. Excellent. Okay. Now the next one we're looking at now. What do you think the name of this shape is? What's the name of this one?
Isosceles triangle.
And spell the word isosceles for me, please.
I S
Isos.
O.
Isosceles, yeah? Isosceles triangle, yeah?
Yeah.
So we get the isosceles triangle. Okay. Now isosceles. Now what does it mean? What does it mean? Sorry, what does it mean?
It means two of the angles or the sides are the same and one is not.
Okay, so brilliant. So if this angle here is 70, okay, this angle here also is going to be 70 degrees, yeah? So if this is 70 and that's 70, what's left over? Because we get back to 40, because angles in a triangle are 180. Okay, so we've looked at our angles in triangle. We've looked at our isosceles. The only one that I think I need to talk about, because for your SATs exam they will, and they could ask you this one, is if you see something looking like this now, okay, that one, that one, that one. What do you think is the name of this one now?
Equilateral.
Equilateral. So spell equilateral for me.
E.
Yeah.
U.
Yeah.
I.
Yeah.
Lateral.
L.
A. T. T. E. Lateral.
Yeah.
Wow.
So equilateral. Okay, so let's make sure we spell it right for everyone so they can see it, because it's really important we get the words looking really nice. Let's get isosceles as well, because it's a typical one that sometimes students end up spelling incorrectly. So let's see. Okay, they're not spelling that one first. Okay, so that's equilateral, meaning all the angles are the same, all the sides are the same. Okay. So what do you think each of these angles will be then?
I think it will be 360 divided by 3.
No, remember, this is angles in a triangle.
180 divided by 3.
Okay, so if we've got 180 divided by 3 now, yeah? So let's do our bus stop, so 180 divided by 3. So we do 3 into 1, we can't, right? So that becomes 18. 3 into 18 is 6. And then 3 into 0 is 0. So each of these angles are going to be 60 degrees. Okay, so 60 degrees, 60 degrees, and 60 degrees. Okay, so that's the equilateral, that's the isosceles. These are the scalene, because none of the angles are the same. So we've got the scalene, the isosceles, and the equilateral. Now we have gone to vertically opposite angles. Who's got the X factor? The X factor. Vertically opposite angles are, opposite angles, they're equal. So it has to be a straight line. It's got to be a straight line. So if this angle here is 70 degrees, okay, what do you think this angle is going to be?
70 degrees.
70 degrees. And then guess what? This now is a straight line, yeah? So if that's a straight line, what's this going to be then?
That's going to be...
Forget about that part. Okay,
It's going to be...
Okay, let me just show you something here. Okay, if I get, say for example, let's get this and show you something here.
It's going to be 110.
Yeah, okay, 110, yeah, excellent, that's correct. Okay, so what I was going to do, I was going to take this here and show you something here, right? If I then put this here, okay, let's turn it a bit. Okay. So, can you see we've got a straight line?
Yeah.
Yeah, so then this must be then 110 degrees because it's a straight line. Yeah?
Oh, I get it now.
Get it now, yeah? So
yeah.
It's a straight line, yeah? Okay.
I was doing 140 plus 100.
Yeah, so then we've also got what these two angles are going to be. What's this one and that one going to be then? What's this angle you're going to be? What's this angle you're going to be,
110.
Because opposite angles are equal.
And they all add up to 360.
Yeah, because that now forms a circle. But let's look at this question now. We would like to find P. Okay, so we'd like to find P. Okay, so we'd like to find P now. But we can't find P unless we know what this one is.
I know the answer.
But this one is a straight line. That's a straight line. So what's this going to be?
40.
40 degrees. And then what's this? So if that's 40 and that's 60, what's the total then?
100, 180, take away 180.
Which give us?
What's the 80?
80 degrees. Excellent. So P is 80 degrees. Now, one other thing now, guys, what we've got to make sure that we do is we've got to make sure that we practice first, look at how we do the questions, how we go about doing them. And then once we've done that now, the whole concept is to make sure that we practice, then we check our understanding, we do exactly all the stuff so we can consolidate our learning, get this information in our brain. Okay, so you're now going to pause the video. You're going to have a go at these now. And I'm going to get Raina to write the answers. You're going to write your own answers, and then you're going to compare answers. You might have to write down your answers, and then you're going to check it compared to Raina's answers, okay? Now, good luck. Have fun. Get those answers done for me in a jiffy. Thank you. So, right, guys, hopefully you've seen Raina's got all of these answers here. Hopefully, we get the same answers. Now, we're going to move on to the next topic now. So, we've looked at angles on a line. Right, you're checking your understanding now. The next thing we're going to go on to now, we're going to go look at angles in a triangle, which you're going to have a go at, and then we're going to go back and we're going to look at vertically opposite angles as well. So that one is angles in a straight line, which we have just done. You're going to check those answers if you've got them correct. Now the next thing now we're looking at is angles in a triangle, which you're going to have a real go at. Now you're going to pause the video. You're going to make sure you've written down your notes on angles in triangles. And if you remember angles in a triangle, 180, 180, then we've got 180 in a triangle, and then on a straight line, 180 there. Then we want to get to this straight line, so do 180. Then we find that one, then use it to find that one. And the same concept there and the same rule there. So you're going to quickly have a go at these now, pause the video, and then come back and have a go at it again. Do that one, okay? How much of that one are you going to do it? So this gives you what? So you get the 7 there, yeah?
Yeah.
So you're gonna get 4.
Yeah.
And then this becomes what? This is gonna be 2 from 5,
5.
which is 54. Yeah. So then x is gonna be 54. So what's the name of this triangle?
The name of that triangle is an isosceles.
Isosceles. So if this is 54, what's this angle gonna be?
54.
54. Excellent. Now we know angles in a triangle are 180. So if that's 54 and that's 54, how much is that?
That's 108.
So if we take 108 from 180, what do we get? So take the 8 from the 80 then.
72.
Excellent. You're a superstar. Well done. Okay, right. So the final one now that you're going to complete for me is this one here. Do you know the rule that would give me this angle over here?
It's 110.
110. Excellent. But can you make sure in the exam you actually work out this one for me, please, and then do that one? Yeah. So we just know that these two add together to give us that one. Okay, brilliant. Excellent.
That's the mistake.
Excellent. Well done. And then the next bit now we're on is this vertically opposite one. Okay, let's see if we've got any more. Okay, that's it for today. Now, so I'm going to leave you, Rihanna, to have a go at the vertically opposite angle. And I hope you have learned a lot from this video today, guys. This is basically some of the key information for your SATs and your GCSE exam. Rena, you can have a go at completing, but guys, pause the video. You have a go at it, right? Pause the video now while Rena is doing it, but then have a look and see, after to see if you get the same answers, Rena. Thank you very much. Okay, guys, now I hope you've got that 60 degrees. Hopefully you've made good progress. Don't forget now, angles in a triangle, 180. Angles in a straight line, 180. And don't forget the X factor when you've got vertically opposite angles. Don't forget that, guys. Vertically opposite angles are equal. That angle is equal to that angle, and this angle here is equal to that angle there. You need to know this for your SATs and your GCSEs. So guys, get set, ready, go. We're gonna do so well this year. We're gonna smash those exams and we're gonna do our best. God bless. Peace out.